We are a nation of natural beauty and endless potential, of deep green valleys and snow-capped hills. Working together, we are building a better Wales. With the best childcare offer in the UK, we are helping parents back into work and giving children a flying start in life. We're building and refurbishing schools across the country with the largest investment since the 1960s. We're transforming education from nursery to university and creating 100,000 new life-changing apprenticeships. And we're giving young people the power to shape their own futures through the right to vote at 16 in Senedd and local council elections. The Welsh NHS is treating more people every day with better results. More doctors and nurses are working in our hospitals and in our health centres. Our new treatment fund is giving quicker access to newly approved medicines. And in Wales, because of the choices that we've made together, prescriptions remain free. We're supporting local businesses with rates relief to help them to thrive on our high streets. Standing up for our steel and manufacturing industries. Promoting Wales, our history and our heritage around the world. We are building a better Wales. Successful, vibrant, inclusive and outward looking. This is the Wales that we choose. Better in Wales. Better with Welsh Labour.